Want to lose belly fat fast? Ever wondered if there's a magic potion that can make it happen? Welcome to our journey where we delve into the secret of a powerful belly fat burner drink. Picture this: shedding up to 15 kilograms or 30 pounds in a mere 2 weeks. Sounds unbelievable, right? But remember, everyone's body and metabolism are unique, so results may vary. So, are you ready to unlock the secret to this fat-blasting concoction? Stay tuned to know the secret recipe of this magical drink. So what's in this super drink? The recipe is quite simple. We start with a cucumber. This green powerhouse is low in calories, high in fiber, and filled with water, making it a great choice for weight loss. Next, we have half a lemon. Not only does it add a tangy freshness, but it also boosts digestion and aids in detoxification. Then we add a bunch of parsley. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, parsley can help reduce water retention. Next up is a tablespoon of grated ginger, a potent ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to boost metabolism. We also include a tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a super ingredient that can help to improve digestion. And finally, we add half a glass of water to make our drink easily consumable and refreshing. Each ingredient plays a pivotal role in promoting weight loss and overall health. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's see how to prepare this drink. Preparing this drink is as easy as gathering the ingredients. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to chop your fresh cucumber and parsley. This doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure you have bite-sized pieces that your blender can handle. Once that's done, it's time to squeeze half a lemon. This will add a tangy zest to your drink, not to mention a powerful punch of vitamin C. Next, it's time to bring it all together. Place your chopped cucumber and parsley in the blender, followed by the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, blend it all up. You're aiming for a smooth mixture, so keep blending until there are no chunks left. Finally, pour your freshly blended mixture into a glass. And just like that, your belly fat burner drink is ready to consume. This drink is not only a powerhouse of nutrients, but also a delicious way to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. So when and how often should you drink this? Let's dive into that. The optimal time to consume this potent belly fat burner is early in the morning. Why, you might ask? Well, consuming it on an empty stomach allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively, leading to better results. Now, consistency is key. To see real tangible results, it should be consumed daily for a period of 2 weeks. But what's so special about this drink, and why should you incorporate it into your routine? There are numerous benefits to be reaped. For starters, it's a quick weight loss solution. Yes, you heard it right. You could potentially shed up to 15 kilograms or 30 pounds in just 2 weeks. Moreover, this drink can significantly improve digestion. The ingredients work in synergy to cleanse your system, eliminating toxins and promoting a healthy gut. And we all know, a healthy gut is the cornerstone of overall well-being. But that's not all. The drink also enhances metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, which in turn aids in weight loss. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. In conclusion, this drink is not just about losing weight, but about promoting a healthier lifestyle. It's about taking a small step towards a big change. So go ahead, give this magical drink a try and embark on your journey to a healthier, fitter you.